Hi friends, welcome. We'll continue to learn our SQLite database management in our PHP environment, and previously we have seen how to create tables and we have displayed some rows of data. Now we'll include one delete function so we can remove the table and create the table again. So that way we can various other scripts. So you'll managing the database, you can experiment by frequently removing the table and creating it again. Before we move to our script, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Let's start the script. This is where we left previously, so we had displayed, but here right now we are getting a, when you click the display, here it is, all the 35 rows of data we have taken, and create table it is not allowing because database integrity, and here the duplicate student ID is not allowed. So that is why. So now what you will do, we will create one page to remove the table altogether along with the data, so we can freshly create the table again. So for that purpose, this display page, let me just save it, file, save as. Now I will say drop .php. So this is the drop page now, and in the menu itself we will add, let me just remove this also. Let me save this. Now let me open the menu. Here it is, the menu page. So in that we'll add our drop command. So we'll say a ref equal to drop .php, but in the query string we'll pass one parameter. So status equal to no. Why I am doing this? Because this is the variable, always I'll be passing it. So I'll writing it delete table. Let's just see this. Let me save it. Come to next line. Here I will add one line break here. Fine. So let me save this. So I'll refresh this right side. Our same anything create table. Let me just go to create table. You can see the delete table has appeared, and if I'll click this, it will go to the delete table page, and with a you can see here the status is no is going. So this I will use it whether to delete or not, that we'll see now. So delete table, the link we have provided in our menu. So now we can go to display. So the delete table is always there. Let's come to our drop. Delete table means the drop.php. So we are here. Now let me just write a query here, SQL equal to my connection. This is, we are taken inside the config.php file. You can see here my connection is here. This is what we are using, my connection. Now I will say prepare. Now directly I am writing a query here. Drop, sorry, table should be in uppercase, student. So this is fine. So query, now what I'm going to do is equal to my, sorry, not that way, because I want to get a trap whether it is successful or not. If QL execute, it is true or false, because if it is successful then it will return me true. Then what I will do, I will put it in student table deleted. Fine, I will write it here. Before that I can give a line break also. Okay, so this will if it is executed thing, but what I have to do is I will put it inside a try and catch block. So I will get the I will say try. Now my try block will end at here. Now the catch, what I will do, I will just go here, catch is same, so I will copy this, put it here. So table not deleted. The message is whatever the error message I receive, I will put it here. Now this is fine. Let me save this. So if I'll click the delete table, let's see if it is, there is any error. Or here, sorry, I had to give a end statement, no semicolon. So delete table. student table deleted. Now because student table deleted, this message is coming. Now what I will do, I can, if I'll go now to create table, this table is created. Now I cannot go again. If I'll go again, then it will give the error message. Now again I can delete it. But here one change I have to do. Now suppose someone clicks this menu, he will directly removing the table. Instead of that, I will give you a say, because it's a removing of the table, usually you should confirm it yes or no. Then what I will do right now, I will give a link here saying that this click here to delete the table, because there should be a two-step validation, because I am removing the table. So for that I will say here inside that at the top, I am saying no. What I will first do is I will check the status. If status equal to, now what I am going to do is receive in the get method, what is the status. This status you can see delete table. When I am clicking at the top, status equal to no. Status I am receiving. Now what I am doing, if now this variable status equal to yes, if it is yes, then the entire code up to this point will be executed. Else, if it is not so, what I am going to, here I am giving the link here, echo click here to delete table. Here a hyperlink I am showing with the URL is equal to, now to the drop.php, here the status I am putting it is yes. Click here to delete the table. Let me end the statement. You just see this, I am just giving this link here, or let me just come to the next line. You just see here echo drop status. Now status will, in the query string, the value of the status will be yes. So then this statement status equal to yes, it will receive it here, then this statement will be executed. So let me just create the student table. Now let me first save this. So now delete table. It is not allowing straightway to table is deleted. Click here to delete the table. So let me just student table deleted. I can give a line break here also. So it can come down a bit. Now if student table is deleted, now if I'll click this also, it will ask me the click here to delete, but already the table is deleted, so it will give me a error message. So table not deleted, no such table student, because it is already deleted. Now let me just create it again, then again deleted, but instead directly deleting, it is showing me the link to delete. So I can delete it, and now the table is deleted. This concept will continue, because anytime we have to change the table data, add new records, and also easily by visiting this link we can delete our table. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and in the next we'll see how different ways you can get the data from the table. So if you have any doubts, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it, and my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.